Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal Universal School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is question answer 1 and 2. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 12 and SW number 12. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn question answer 1 and 2. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 2 question and also answer. Today we will learn these 2 questions answer. So my dear students, let's start. Our first number question is, write the 5 important ways of ibadat. Write the 5 important ways of ibadat. Answer is, ibadat is to obey the order of Allah and His Rasul. The 5 important ways of ibadat are Iman, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. And my dear students, I am repeating the question answer again. The question is, write the 5 important ways of ibadat. Answer is, ibadat is to obey the order of Allah and His Rasul. The 5 important ways of ibadat are Iman, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. And my dear students, these 5 are the pillar of Islam. You know that there are 5 pillars of Islam, that are Iman, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. Now my dear students, question number 2, discuss briefly about Salat. Discuss briefly about Salat. Question is, discuss briefly about Salat. Answer is, Salat is an Arabic word. It means prayer. It is the key to the heaven. 5 times Salat are Fajr, Zohor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. My dear students, I'm repeating the question answer again. The question is, discuss briefly about Salat. And answer is, Salat is an Arabic word. It means prayer. It is the key to the heaven. 5 times Salat are Fajr, Zohor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. My dear students, you know that we have to perform every day 5 times Salat. That 5 times Salat name are Fajr, Zohor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. My dear students, you know that Salat is the key to the heaven. And in this regard, my dear students, every day we have to perform Salat 5 times a day. 5 times Salat are Fajr, Zohor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Okay, my dear student, you will perform Salats at your home regularly. And my dear student, you will make SW as SW number 12, question answer number 2. Question answer number 2. You will make SW at your home and submit your SW copy. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.